What's up guys, this is going to be a really short video again on my truck. Now I just installed these three little orange lights here. They're LED. I got them off eBay. They're like $32 on eBay. It comes with all the connectors, all the wiring and everything. Now it does come with 4 in the kit, and they want you to go on this lower level, kind of the middle level right here. I personally didn't like that and I wanted it to go up to the higher level. So I had to Dremel out some on the grill and Dremel out some on the lights itself, but it wasn't that hard at all. I just personally wanted it on the higher level and I thought the 4 looked a little too much. But I really like them. They're really simple. Obviously you can wire them up to be on pretty much all the time as soon as you crank up your truck, or you can have them on like I did. I put them on my DRL lights, so I have the option to have them on or off. It's just a really simple install process, and I just thought I'd make a short video saying that they're actually not junk, since eBay is kind of one of those things where you're like, is it good? Is it junk? So I just wanted to kind of let you guys know that it's not junk. $32. If you like the look, go get you a set. It's pretty much that easy.